Welcome to this guide on leadership in Agile Transformation. Agile is often discussed in terms of teams and processes, but the role of leadership is the single most critical factor in a successful transformation. In this video, we will explore how leaders drive this change. First, let us define what we mean by Agile Transformation. It is not just about adopting new software tools or renaming your daily meetings. It is a fundamental shift in organizational culture and mindset. The goal is to become more flexible, responsive, and customer-centric in how we deliver value. Why does leadership matter so much? Because leaders are the catalysts. A grassroots change from the bottom up often hits a ceiling if it does not have leadership support. Leaders set the direction, create safety, and have the authority to remove blockers that teams simply cannot move on their own. The biggest challenge is shifting the mindset. The traditional boss relies on command and control, assigning tasks and demanding compliance. The Agile leader, however, empowers and supports. They focus on developing people, encouraging autonomy and measuring success by outcomes, not just output. This brings us to the concept of servant leadership. Instead of asking, "Why isn't this done?" a servant leader asks, "How can I help you?" Your goal is to serve the team, remove obstacles, and shield them from external distractions so they can focus on their work. Leaders must articulate a clear North Star. Everyone needs to know where the organization is going. Crucially, leaders must foster psychological safety. This means creating an environment where it is safe to speak up, question ideas, and admit mistakes without fear of punishment. Think of yourself as a bulldozer. Teams face organizational blockers like complex bureaucracy, legacy processes, or siloed departments. It is your job to clear these roads so the team, which is the race car, can drive as fast as possible. Agile requires a culture of continuous learning. Leaders must support innovation by encouraging experiments. We want to fail fast so we can learn faster. This cycle of experimenting, learning, and iterating is the heartbeat of agility. How do we measure success? Stop focusing on vanity metrics like lines of code or hours worked. Instead, focus on value metrics. Are customers satisfied? Is revenue growing? Are we delivering to the market faster? Focus on the outcome, not just the output. Be aware of common pitfalls. Micromanagement destroys self-organization. Lack of commitment, saying you want Agile but refusing to change your own behavior, will kill the transformation. And finally, be patient. Cultural transformation takes time. To summarize, transformation starts with your mindset. Shift from commander to servant leader. Build a culture of safety. Focus on customer value. And actively work to remove impediments for your teams. Agile is not something you do. It is something you become. Start your journey today by empowering your teams and leading by example. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on Agile business transformation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.